Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to give you DramaBox promo gift codes. First, you need to know how to get these promo codes. You'll have to follow DramaBox on X, Snapchat, and Instagram, or any other social media platforms, because they will give away some of these promo codes on these social media platforms. So let's say that I'm gonna open Instagram. When you open Instagram, you just have to go to DramaBox official page. Then you should search for it in the highlights just right here, or you can simply find them in these feeds or these reels. Let's say that I'm gonna open this highlight or this story. Sometimes they give away some promo codes in these sections right here. And now once you get any promo code, you should now open DramaBox, then click on your profile icon on the bottom right corner. And now you will have to click on the gifts. Then here you should paste the promo code that you have actually copied, or just type it, then click on redeem. And once you click on redeem, you'll get the promo code activated. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.